Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to yet another Fitness First online class. And just got the news that from today onwards, so you guys are going to be using this video tomorrow. I'm creating it today, which is Wednesday. So we have just heard the news that the country is under total lockdown. So please follow those instructions because it is very serious. It is getting serious, and what we have to do is we have to create a social distancing. A small tip about social distancing is that you do not have to be in a group, or you should not be in a group of more than probably I'd say 3, and you should be in your houses. You should not go out unless it's absolutely vital, urgent, and in an emergency state. Alright, so that's the tip of the day. Another tip of the day, let's come back to our fitness. So in terms of fitness, make sure you keep yourself hydrated. Make sure you keep yourself fully nutrited with a lot of fibers, because fibers will give you a sort of energy dispersance in your body. The energy will be dispersed in a very smooth, very easy way that will make sure that you don't keep on binging on unwanted, unnecessary junk crap. Right? Okay, so let's start right away. So today is day 4. We are going to be doing back and biceps, and here you can see what I have got from my house and created this exercise regime. Is you'd need a towel, and I hope everybody has a towel. I'm sure everybody would have a towel. You'd need a bucket. I'll tell you why you need a bucket, and you will need bottles. Now, of course, right now it seems like we're getting ready for party, but it's not for party. We're going to use this bottle as weights. So I've taken one bottle which is around 1.25 liter, so around 1 kg. This is 750 grams, and another bottle that I could find which is around 2 liters, so 2 kgs. Right, so we can use these weights to do our exercise. Alright, so first things first, three separate sessions. We are going to be doing warm up, the main session, and cool down. So warm up, simple. Each exercise we are going to do it for 1 minute. So let's start. Marching in place. Now again, people with knee or back problem, you want to march in place like this. People who do not have it, so start marching in place in a little plyometric version. March in place for 1 minute. Then horse march in place again for 1 minute. This is non-plyometric. This is back and knee friendly, and plyometric for people who do not have back or knee problem. 1 minute. Then knee to your butt, 1 minute. Then jacks again, 1 minute. Each of these exercises, make sure that you do it for 1 minute. Then we are going to be starting with our shoulders. The shoulder rotation, 30 seconds forward, shoulder rotation 30 seconds back. Make sure you do it for 30 seconds. Then cleaning the windows, 30 seconds forward, 30 seconds big. So 30 seconds or 30 rounds, I don't mind, and 30 rounds down and large. Make sure you do 30 rounds. Do not miss that part, because we want you to be properly warmed up. You'll be able to perform better here. Alright, that's done. Then warm up your trunk. Get it nice and loose. I think while doing the core, showing you the core, because I was not warmed up, or I did not do warm up properly, I've got a little soreness here. It feels like while I was doing that sides, I think I sprained it. So that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. If you don't warm up properly, you can end up with little injuries. Won't bother you much, because anyways you're gonna stay home. But still, why go through that pain? Unnecessary pain, I would say. Alright. 1 minute or 30 counts each side. Super. Okay, let's add one more. Leg rotation. Why leg rotation? What I want you to do is try and balance one leg, because we're going to be doing one exercise that will require you to balance on one leg. So let's do this 30 counts. Each side, 30 counts. Super. Once you've done that, we're going to start with the exercises. Alright, so the first exercise that we are going to be doing is going to be the back exercise. We are going to be doing rowing. We have all done this. So you can take a bucket, right? You can add the weight according to your requirement. Now you might ask, and some of you geniuses, I am very sure that would be thinking, why the hell do we need to add bottles? Why can we not add water straight away? Just try. You'll know why. I'm not gonna say that. It's a secret. I don't want to spill it. Here is a hint. I don't want to spill it. So you can, if you geniuses think water is good, try adding water, and you will see what happens after you finish the exercise. You'll need to do a little bit of more exercise. Alright, that's hint enough. Alright, so we're going to be doing row. So depending upon the weight you have, what you want to do here, the trick of doing exercise at home is you want to feel the burn. So whatever weight you have, now forget the count. You have to make sure that you do 3 sets, sorry. You have to make sure you do 3 sets. But in that case, so I'm going to show you sideways. In that case, you want the muscle to burn. You want the back muscle to burn. We have done this a ton of times together at our Fitness First Center in Vesu, in front of Bhagwan Mahavir College, Ofira, right? So, till you feel the burn. Alright, each side. Right? So those who don't know the address, again, Vesu, in front of Bhagwan Mahavir College, VIP Road. Right? That's where we do all these exercises, except we have more professional dumbbells and equipments. So this is called rowing. 25 times. If you want to do 15 times, if you want to do 12 times, doesn't matter. You should feel the burn. So again, sideways. Now another key thing that you would know that I keep saying is breathing is very important. Now I'm talking, I cannot breathe, but I'll show you how to breathe. Probably you guys will know. So the trick here is, whenever you're pushing or pulling an object, make sure you breathe out. Alright, so that was first. So that was rowing. So once we are done with rowing, we are going to be doing another back exercise, which is shrugs. Many people think shrugs is a shoulder exercise, but no. Shrugs uses your trapezius. Trapezius is a part of your back. So we're going to take shrugs. Now how are we going to do shrugs? So we're going to use the towel. We're going to put our leg on it and we're going to lift. Now you can improve your resistance by pushing your leg down and making it tougher. Making it easy by using your leg only. So resistance, you can decide yourself, right? Alright, again, when you're pulling or pushing, you breathe out. So in this case, I'm pulling. Right? So we have done. We don't need to do it on each side. And remember, we both are working, so you want to do 3 sets. Once we are done with shrugs, we are going to use the same towel and we are going to do lower back extension. For back problems, this is very, very helpful. So all you gotta do is just extend. Now here, I want you to do this for 15 times. Now here we are going to do a series of back exercises. So that's one. Now second, we are going to do both together 15 times. Both together. That is third in the series of lower back exercises. Then last 15 times, hands straight and up and up and up and up. This is very good for your back, guys. This is very good for your back. So again, what we have done, we have done row, we have done shrugs, we have done lower back. Now we are going to be doing wide row. Again, this row was latissimus dorsi. Now the wide row, we are going to do it for our trapezius. So same weights, wide. Last time we did this. This time we are going to do this. We are going to try and use our trapezius, that is our back. Again, whenever you're pulling or pushing an object, you want to breathe out. Sideways. Both sides. Sideways. Once you're done with that, we're going to start doing our biceps. So biceps, we're going to use the weights to do our biceps. We're going to do biceps in two ways. We're going to do biceps one with hammer, right? So what we're going to be doing is hammer curls. Simple. Again, here, just like shrugs, here we're going to lift our leg and down. 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 Right? I don't want you to be doing all this stuff. Less movement. Everything is stable. Stuck in. Chest out. Back in. And side version. And down. And down. And down. So towel, hammer curls. Again, remember, I want you to do at least 3 sets. Repetition, you choose. Resistance, you choose. Right? So that's hammer curl. Then we are going to be doing concentration curl. Now, for concentration curl, you can use this much weight if you want. So everybody has done concentration curl before with me. So right here, right here, right here, right here. Again, breathing. Both sides, both sides. Great. I did not need to use this weight. It was there. Alright, so we have done 2 bicep, hammer curl, concentration curl, and 4 back exercises. I want you to follow this routine and let me know if you need to know anything. If you have any queries, just DM me. What I learned today, DM is directly message me. So directly message me. I don't mind. Alright. Last part of the session is cool down. So we're going to start with cool down. Hope your biceps and back are nice and burning. Right. So we start with upper body as we usually do. Stretch. Make sure you at least stretch it for 30 counts. Minimum 30 seconds, guys. Minimum 30 seconds. Each side. 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 30 seconds. Nice and easy. Breathe so it will relax. And stretch. Turn. Breathe, it will relax. Stretch. Turn. Breathe, it will relax. Right? Okay. Let's go on to hamstrings. 30 seconds. Each side. 30 seconds. Each side. Glutes. 30 seconds. Each side. 30 seconds. each side. Quads, 30 seconds each side. 30 seconds each side. Alright guys, thank you so much. Stay indoors, stay safe. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.